Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix electric scooter error 14. So if you're interested, let's get started. In this case, if you're having issues with your electric scooter here and you're getting the error 14 issue, well, in this case, there are a few things that you could do to fix this issue. So first is you want to basically do a simple shake on the throttle bar. Now, in this case, the error code itself, or the error 14 here, actually informs you that you need to check your throttle. So, in this case, sometimes if you have some issues on the throttle, you need to basically either shake it a few times, it might be faulty, or you want to basically clean it, or even replace it. So, basically, the issue itself is from the throttle itself. So in this case, you want to look at your throttle. So usually it's going to look like or similar to something like this one. So in this case, you want to do a quick shake on it. So just rapidly tap it or shake it. So once you've done that, usually that would actually remove the error code if there's no actual issues on your throttle. But if that does not work, well, the next thing you want to do is you want to clean your throttle sensor. Now, you might want to refer to the actual manual for your electric scooter, so depending on what brand you have or what type of device you have. Now, in this case, you want to clean it, and if cleaning is not the solution that you found here, the throttle itself might be the problem itself. So you might want to replace it. So either you could do this yourself if you're familiar, or you could go ahead and basically visit, or in this case, contact the support team for the specific scooter that you have. For example, if you have Xiaomi, you can contact them and ask them to replace the actual throttle here. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.